the rocks.
She call me Poppy and I say Venaki. Wrist sweat on hockey. Push box like Ali. My sneaks stay volley.
With basketball, I love the basketball. Like, I ended up starting point guard at the middle school. Then it carried over to the high school. I was practicing with the JV, you know. And then, like, I had a shot at starting JV, but I went to jail. But when I got out, I'm like, man, I got to find something else to do. Like, I got to do something different. Like, obviously, this shit ain't working for me. I keep getting jammed up back to back. I'm like, man, I got to do something else.
Made me go harder, they lock me up, it's on my album up, but I did not give up cause I knew I would prevail. Came in the game, Philly as shit. Look at these rappers, they silly as shit. I don't know why they be guessing these suckers, but fuck them, cause I am not feeling they shit. Different between me and most of these rappers, I'm talking about work that I really put in. Talking about pictures I put on my hip, and I'm talking about foreigns I really could whip, that I really done drove. Really was first in my hood, and these bitches I really did hit.
This why I say it's big that Meek fuck with these niggas like. He don't fuck with niggas. Niggas don't, man. Yeah. I'm talking about work that I really put in. Talking about licks that I really didn't hit, and I'm talking about pistols I had on my hip. Nigga, my mama, nigga. Woo! Get it. These bitches gold digging. I ain't no feeling. I'm on that hoe. They like, how the fuck he do it though? This the same nigga that was down there like this? Oh, y'all thought I was playing when I did that? I knew where I was going. Yeah, these bitches, hold on. As we
I can't hesitate, no time for mistakes, no breaks. I can't go on dates, fucker then I skate. I swear, lost her with the state, and my phone straight. She don't hate, I'm tryna motivate. I just wanna be great. I got swag, I cannot complain. Look how far a nigga count. They feel just like yesterday.
I'm trapping out the for real, nigga. Check my cases, ain't no fuck shit on my name, and I really about what I say. Hey, nigga, all you do is hate, bitch.
You's a hater, nigga, you's a hater.
Never had shit, so I
don't want no neighbor doing favors. I want me to say, I cannot say.
So I started rapping. I had just dropped a song called Never Had Shit before I did my 90 days. Like, I was fighting the case for about like a good 3 months fighting the case, and then I ended up getting 3 months. So during that time, I already had put a single out with a dance. I did the dance and some bummy shit. But the moves that I hit and on the beat that I did it, that shit just went crazy. Like on the gram, like.
If you play crazy now, you gon' regret that. Try to kick me when I'm down. You gon'
I know you. Yeah, that's hard. That's too hard. These bitches undeniably hard as fuck though. Sure thing. They knew to play Kid Cudi, they wanted me to spend some money or something. They gonna play somebody complete. You got jury testers?
Sure do.
Can you test this for me?
Of course.
See if it's diamonds or not? What if that shit come back? What if that shit come back like BB? Not diamonds. Like, hold on, let me see. Let's see how many diamonds it is. That's a diamond. That's a diamond. I'm gonna put this up. If y'all thought something was funny, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's a diamond. Yep. Yeah, that's a diamond. Yeah, that's a diamond. Yeah, that's a fuck up.
I was in the club at like 17, 18. Man, I'm in there doing my thing. I'm in there dancing. I'll pop a bottle, but I ain't never had no section though, cause I wouldn't even hit the sections. Like, I was so young, I didn't even know you had to pay to get over there. I always used to just jump the couch. I used to sneak my way over there every time. Like, it was never like a paid thing to me. Like, I'll just be in the section. Like, I ain't never buy it. Like, nigga, I just walk over there. Man, I was blah. Talking about with the racks on me. Oh man, them was the best. No, them ain't the best. This is the best years of my life right here, and I got more to come.
Dancing on IG if y'all ever seen that shit. Turn me the fuck up in this bitch. I'm back though, but they mad for me. We mad ho, get glad ho. Remember when I tried to fuck you in the past, ho, huh? Now you hit me up, I just laugh ho. I'm putting an amp though, that's a plan though. Did I tell you I was ready to laugh though? Turn me up, man, I was popping.
Dog off the leash.
Yeah,
I'm back on my feet.
yeah.
On appetite.
So you know it's time to eat. If you know this shit, sing this shit. If you don't know it, turn the fuck up. I'm drunk, we about to turn the fuck up. Yeah. Johnny, you get got this out the day. I put look like straight. Dance on, Q Money dance on. That shit funny up.
I got one AP on, she come like 14. I got one hell of a business, man. I've been trying to get it back. I've been on my period, I've been blooding these niggas since the beginning. Hey, money on my list, baby.
Niggas ain't fucking with me. Niggas ain't fucking with me. Niggas ain't fucking with me. Yeah. It's Q Money, ain't shit. Yeah. I like my money real neat. Just like I like all my freaks. Pop your shit loose. What up, Demar? Let's go. Where you going, fight, nigga? I ain't got no fun, no time to fight with you. Shout out real right people. I can't go so white, yo. Everybody don't like each other. $150 on the belt. Talking shit like
What's the picture of the band? DMO keys and talent. All of my hoes are valid. All of my hoes are solid. All of my hoes is not. When they expose their body, they got a pole beside it. Don't need no pole beside it. All of my hoes inside it. If you got hoes to lie, if you're a gangster, body. If it's a safe deposit.
What the fuck? Nigga, you gotta tell me shit. He lit. She lit. I saw I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now niggas getting rich. Every day we lit. Every day we lit. Who put this shit together?
I was doing some search.
Me. That's who. You need people like me. Say, that's the bad guy. Yeah. That's too lit.